Increase productivity with Edding Inline Compact Printer. The Edding Inline printer stands apart from other industrial printers. Its simple handling and animated user guides make it easier for any user to install and begin operating into the production line in just a few minutes. No technical support and maintenance free. High resolution printing up to 600 dpi. Widest portfolio of ink types and colors, enabling printing on almost any material such as cardboard, plastic, glass, and metals. Wide range of marking application for all industrial production. Increase production efficiency and eliminate error or miscoding. German-made for our reliable, efficient, and environmentally friendly. To know more, send us a message or visit our website at www.labelstek.com.